How did the penguin pass his driving test? He winged it. Boom, boom. What do you call a happy penguin? A pen-grin. That must be the way I tell them. Why are penguins so good on the internet? Rather apt for the times, I would say. Because they have web feet. I have to also say that's a terrible joke. What do you call a penguin with no eye? A pen gun. As I say, they're not brilliant. And here is this week's penguin joke. How did the penguin pass his driving test? He winged it. How did the penguin pass his driving test? Oh, Lord. He winged it. What do penguins wear to the beach? A beanie. How do penguins get around? On a bicycle. They're not really very good, but I hope they bring you some amusement. Why are penguins hard to get along with? They're always fishing for compliments. In the last week. And my last penguin joke for the year for you is, what do you call 500 penguins in Trafalgar Square? Lost. I think we might have heard that one before.